Welcome again, ladies and germs. My dog's been helping me a lot. He's been providing a lot of moral support here. What we're doing tonight is chopping into the Cadillac and installing a hydraulic steering column so we can have some extra strong steering on this mother. So basically what we got here is an orbital valve, which is basically a proportional hydraulic steering valve. And we're going to use electric power steering pump off of Volvo S40 and run that. But yeah, we got the steering through the through the firewall, but now I got to run a piece of tubing across here. And that piece of tubing will have a bracket on it, and I'll grab these two bolt holes underneath here, and then we should have a mounted orbital valve. But I'll keep you guys posted. Follow along, and I will keep you updated. Right, Snoop? Yeah.